Game On Expo. Game On Expo is a multimedia gaming convention that began in August 2015 and is the largest gaming convention in Arizona. It covers all types of gaming from video games and arcades to board games and tabletop games. The expo boasts a large vendor hall. The Game On Expo is also host of the annual event Retro World Championships. This event is organized by Dorian Whitlock, Nintendo Power Fest 94 finalist, Mike Iarossi, Nintendo Power Fest champion, Chris Tang, Sega's Rock the Rock champion, and Thor Åkerlund, Original Nintendo World Championships champion. The Retro World Championships is sponsored by Retro USB, who provides a limited edition special Game On Expo edition cart as the main prize. In 2016, the Game On Expo expanded to the Marriott Hotel adjacent to the Mesa Convention Center. It introduced live music for the first time and video game voice actors, including Steve Downes, Jen Taylor, and Darin De Paul. In 2017, the Game On Expo expanded and moved to the Phoenix Convention Center. During that year, the Game On Expo featured a Mortal Kombat 25th anniversary reunion featuring Daniel Pesina, Johnny Cage. It also featured significantly larger vendor hall, freeplay arcade, and had voice actors from games including Overwatch, The Walking Dead series, the Mass Effect series, The Orange Box, The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, and more. Event history. References